Hello, this is the classroom for our third year group. Okay, so for Tuesday, the 17th of March, 5:30 to 7. Okay, so for the group, Jose, Mark, okay, Elias, Paula, okay, so and all that group. So, és la classe del tercer de dimarts de 5:37. Us poso això per si no podeu seguir la classe per Skype, okay, tal com estava previst. Com sempre podeu pausar el vídeo i també l'heu de passar allà on estigui, d'acord? Qualsevol dubte estaré online durant l'hora de classe i també retransmitim per Skype al correu que us vaig passar per e-mail o per WhatsApp. Si teniu qualsevol dubte, contacteu amb mi. Okay, so first of all, page 216, so that was the homework, page 216, okay, so exercise 7AA, complete with the present simple or the future with will of and the verbs in brackets. Sentence 1, will get. Sentence 2, won't mark. 3, are. Sure. 4, doesn't improve. 5, hurry. 6, don't know. 7, shouts. 8, will finish. 9, won't go out. 10, need. Okay, so that's part A. Recordeu que després de when, as soon as, before, until, after, s'utilitza un present simple, okay, encara que estiguis parlant del futur. Now, part B, circle the correct word or expression. 1, until. 2, before. 3, when. 4, after. 5, unless. 6, as soon as. 7, until. 8, when. 9, unless. And 10, before. How did you do? I'm sure that you have done well. Now, we are going to continue with the book. So please go to page 112. So this is a speaking exercise. So section 6, please. Speaking, reading, and speaking. It says, A, in pairs, answer the questions that match your situation. Now, this is a speaking exercise. So please, okay, send the answers by email so that I can correct them. So if you could do that by the weekend so that I can listen to them and so on, I will by email. Okay, so the questions are, are you at university now? Well, if it's a no, do not answer the questions. No contesteu aquestes preguntes si no van per vosaltres. So, have you been to university? No. So, you have to answer the questions. Do you want to go to university? So, these are the questions you need to answer. Aquestes són les preguntes que heu de contestar. Only that here. The ones that say, do you want to go to university? Okay, if it's yes, would you like to study? Why? Do you think you will enjoy it? And if it's no, why not? What would you like to do instead? So again, remember all the answers if you are not following the lesson via Skype, so by email. Thank you. Now, I'd like you to go to section C. Okay, it says, and it's on the text. It is based on the text on page 113. Okay. So it says the UK student site, that is the title, okay, so of the text. Okay, so the UK student site. Okay, can you see that? Thank you. Now, and now look at section C. Okay, so read the comments, okay, and mark them. Yes, a tick. It's worth it. Val la pena. Cross, okay, no, it isn't worth it. No val la pena. Or S. It's sometimes worth it. Read the comments, okay, so unmark them. So now pause the video now. Pause the video now. Okay, let's go to the answers for that. So number 1 is an S. Number 2 is a tick, it's worth it. Number 3 is a cross. Number 4 is a cross. And number 5 is a tick. Okay. Now, look at section E. It says, look at the photos of Jack Turner and Emily Fleur Sismer. Okay, so which of them do you think is happier? Okay. Jack Turner, 23, has a degree and is unemployed. Emily Fleur Sismer didn't go to university and runs her own business. Think about this. Now, go to page 180. Okay, 180. Section A, university or not. Okay, so and also you go to page 180. Just a minute, please. You have to go to pages 180, university or not. Read the text and answer the questions about page 184. Okay, so, and page 184, university or not. Okay, so you have to read the two texts, okay, and answer the questions below. But remember, the questions are from the text on the other page. Okay, és a dir, les preguntes que hi ha aquí sota són del text de l'altra part. Okay? Si me les envieu per correu electrònic, d'acord, escrites, d'acord, si podeu contestar, heu de contestar les dues. Jo us les corregiré, so I will correct them to you. Okay, so but you remember, the questions on page 184 are about the text on page 180. And the questions on page 180 are about the text on page 184. Thank you. Coming in. Now, let's move on. Look at section 7, which is the speaking, okay, so which we are going to do on Skype today. So if you don't do that, okay, so because I'm going to be on Skype, so please, okay, so I would like you to send them by email, okay, so a spoken, okay, so you record yourself, so and you send them an email together with the exercise I have given you before, okay. So again, if you have any questions, I will be on the chat or on the Skype, okay, so at the class time today. So speaking in small groups, small groups now, you choose to talk about either school or university. I suppose that you are going to talk about your school because you don't go to university. So agafeu les preguntes de school. So read the questions. For example, school doesn't prepare students for life. They should be taught practical things like childcare and how to cook healthy food. Okay, physical education should be optional, and boys and girls should be taught PE separately. Remember, PE is physical education. Okay, and also question 3 and question 4. I'd like you to record your answers and send them to me. Okay, so so it's a topic. Okay, so you have to give me 3 reasons. Okay, so 3 reasons for each question. Okay, it's not enough to say yes or no. Okay, right. Remember, while you are recording, look at the bottom of the page. Okay, so that's page 113. Okay, I don't know where you can see properly. So look at here. So you can't use these expressions. Okay, so when you are sending me the place. Okay, so your answers. So you can use the topic I have chosen is school. Okay, I completely agree that, or I partly agree, estic en part d'acord, or I completely disagree with that. And when you're giving the 3 reasons, to say, first of all, I think that blah, blah, blah. My second point is that, that's your second reason. Okay, another important point is that, and finally, so for each of the 4 points about school, you give 3 reasons. Please record it and send it by email. Okay, so remember that answers that are over 4 or 5 minutes, okay, so are a bit difficult, okay, so to send by email. Okay, so that will be the lesson today. I'm also going to give you some homework, okay, so which I would like you to send by email as well. So I'll give you the answers next day. So you do not have to send by email what I'm going to give you now. El que us donaré a partir d'ara són deures. Per tant, no els feu, no els envieu per email, feu-los i els corregirem a la propera classe. That is, please, so if you could do page 120, exercise 1, page 120, page 121, and page 121 and 122, exercise 3. So pages 120, 21, and 22, exercises 1 and 3. Okay? Thank you very much. I espero que passeu el coronavirus tan bé com pugueu. Take it easy. So I'm here to help you. Bye-bye, guys.